Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Parrot. Story: Olófin called for a contest in which all feathered animals could participate, and the prize would go to the most beautiful one. All the animals of the village began preparing, some to compete, and others just to watch. The feathered ones bathed in the river, then oiled themselves and preened their plumage. The parrot began boasting about his beautiful feathers, and his bragging stirred envy among the other birds, even the parakeet, because they believed that if Olófin saw him, he would win the prize, as he truly deserved it. So they went to visit a Babalawo, priest-diviner, who lived in the mountains to ask him to prepare an afase, spiritual powder, that they could blow on the parrot during the contest. The Babalawo charged them a high price for the powder, but driven by envy and hatred, they were blinded and didn't care about the cost, as long as the Babalawo guaranteed its effectiveness and remained silent about it. The envious ones took the afase and hid in the forest, waiting for the parrot to pass by on his way to the contest. Very cheerful, the parrot didn't take long to head toward the event, and that's when they blew the powder on him. The parrot felt his head spinning. He also felt a strong headache, and it seemed to spin like a top. He was dizzy and disoriented. So he took the wrong path. After walking a bit, he encountered Elegba, who asked him what was wrong and how he could help. The parrot, struggling to speak, explained what had happened. Elegba then guided him through a shortcut that shortened the journey and was able to bring him to where Olófin and the other animals were gathered. Elegba explained to Olófin what had happened. Turning to everyone present, Olófin said, "The harm they caused the parrot was meant to ruin his beautiful feathers, but from now on, those same feathers will serve as weapons to counteract that very afase. And since he is the most beautiful bird, I declare him the winner of the contest."